Good day everyone, this is Jan Philip Emoding performing how to install Windows 10. First, I'm going to create new, then type my name, then find and click others, then finish, then find, click to start, then wait, until the virtual box appear on the screen. Then after that, there is the Windows, then click next, then install now. Select I don't have a product key, then click Windows 10 Pro, then next, then scroll, then check, scroll, then next, then check I accept the license term, then select custom, then apply, okay, then next, then wait. Wait to process until 100%. Then wait until the virtual box appear again on the screen. Then click United States, okay, then US, okay, then skip, then just a moment, then click I don't have internet, then click continue with limited setup, then create my name, then next, just a moment, then accept, processing, wait. Finally, it's done.